Hi, I'm Steven from Brau Supply and I invented the Unibrau System. Today we're going to talk about the drop-in hop filter. What I have here in front of me is our drop-in hop filter, and we've got two types of filters. We've got the drop-in and we have the hop block filter plate and dip tube, which you can check out in our other video. This one here is 6 by 14 inches, and it also has an adjustable height hook, which is something that I really like compared to other hop filters. Also, this one is our own design. It's a little bit beefier and sturdier. It's got a 600 micron filter instead of your standard 300 or 400 micron. I used to use the 300, 400 micron filters. I really found them to be useless. I don't find you get the utilization that you need. And also, I would rather have a little bit of hop debris come through into the boil than have and get full utilization, rather than have a very fine filter that can tear easy and also just doesn't give me the utilization that I need. So that's why I like our large kind of surface area hop filter. And the large size being 6 inches by 14 inches. And you can just hang it in your kettle like so, and you can raise and lower it according to the screw. If you like what you see, please comment below, subscribe, share, and also if you've got some ideas for us and some videos you'd like to see, please put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'm Steven, and I'll catch you in the next video.